Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Sorkar ubak polling do ulaong banamar ke Jingbun ki banyak kali Khlemakor kari berok kawe ke Shimkhia bah Halor kani da ka bawan ra ya ka an thamai. Kuman chupin kan mau ke Sorkar pedeng kalapen mi ya ka an hapok ke kendon shispa henriu ar jong ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita lani BNS. Kani ke BNS kan mi bujli ya ka Indian Penal Code ke badai ka an naduk kapor ke Sorkar bilan. Kadai ka an pa thamai bala thmu ban pen Treikam da ka Sorkar pedeng mat kala yok ru ya ka jimenjer na ka presiden jong kari. Kat kom kani ka kendon kinu ki badan kti ban tan ra bri hasurak bat ki bamwan ya thu shki pulen ya ka e ka bala jia kin shapen saja da ka bating e ha ka ba kin hap shong patok hadu ship house nam bat na lor kata kin hap ban siru ya ka kuna ka ba hinyaw lak tingka. Haba keren be kilat patai kubor halor ka jingpen sangye ban kamai ka ba sabu pra kenta di Nongniah kali kamai turis namar ka jingwan ra ka Sorkar pedeng ya kani ka an. Uniu menteri Sorkar lapen pau da ka baong ba baro ka wei kari ka Shimkhia ya kani namar ka jingmi ki Nongniah kali ki ba Khlemakor bat ki don ru ki ba pen ken ki kendon an. Komta ka don kam bandon ka an da ka benta kani. Haba keren halor ka jing e ba ya kandu de ki nongwan jungo ka lani ki turis namar ka jingbam dan ki kali kamai turis na kalyang ba po laong ba amtang ka jalame kalia ka ba shemi ki senjam ban pen e ka jing ya ki ndai baro ka wei kari kale ya kani.
Well, this is a matter of concern not just for Nongniah, but the entire nation. And of course, we have seen a rise in cases of harsh driving, and a lot of cases where drivers have taken undue advantage of the laws of the land. So the rule of law must prevail.
Paul, what steps that the department will take in order to facilitate the tourists who are coming to Meghalaya? Because the movement has been affected 48 hours, man.
Well, as we speak, this is a protest that is being organized across the country.
Right.
So, in fact, the movement of tourists is repeated across India. Therefore, it's not something that Meghalaya on its own, especially being a landlocked state, we cannot take measures of our own. It has to be in tandem with what the rest of the country is doing.